Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 5 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a dictionary page. I've got that. Something you can't do without. I'm going with water. Something crinkled. I'm going with these flowers. A drawing or a sketch. I'm going with Snoopy. Something circular. I'm going with these grapes. And the bonus is a piece of wrapping paper. And this is a wrapping paper mailer. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP5. All right, let's see how we're going to do this. I'm just going to get some pieces down. Just tear them. So we've got like that. Got that. Let me put that over. I haven't even played with this yet. So we've got my whale, which represents water. We have got, see, the florals, the flowers. Got, I always pick the big ones, don't I? I do like how they fill up the page, though. Let's see here. Maybe we can go this way. And have our little Snoopy tucked in there. Or somewhere. I wonder if I could cut it out. Let's see. Little scissors. Well, I hope everybody's doing all right. Like I said, I'm doing good. I haven't been feeling real great, but it certainly could be worse. It's been real tired. So I hadn't felt like doing a whole lot. I'm late Saturday getting this done. I usually have it done on Friday. Maybe just a little tired from Junk Journal January, but it sure was a lot of fun. I always enjoy it. I always enjoy the people. I always end up meeting such sweet people when I do this challenge. I've always met a lot of sweet people doing the Margarete Miller. That's where I've met most of my YouTube friends, is doing this challenge. That'll work. May even add in the moon up there. I'm not very good at cutting out circles. All right, now let's start getting some stuff down. All right. Well, the first things we're going to need is to get down our background papers. See, since that's kind of a plastic mailer, I will do it with art glitter glue. And my husband and son's been on vacation this past week, so I'm kind of out of routine. But that will change come Monday. Okay. And let's have that. Go ahead and continue with my art glitter glue. I've already inked around my stuff. That. Don't want to lose Snoopy. Okay. Let me get this down. It has been so sad about all the airplane crashes. So scary. All those poor people. Fires. Makes me very sad. Okay. Maybe. Kind of like that because I like how that peeps out. Let me swap sides here. I guess my way of doing collage is pick out the pieces and try to make it work. Doesn't always work out. But I do like the smaller size. Okay. That. Get my moon. And get my Snoopy. Get my tweezers. Wished he was a little bit bigger. I love Snoopy. All right. I like that. See what I've got. I've got my dictionary page, something you can't do without, which is water. Something crinkled, my flowers. A drawing or a sketch, we've got Snoopy and the moon. Something circular, we've got the grapes and the moon. And a piece of wrapping paper we've got back there. So I've got everything down there. So now I'm just gonna kind of go around the moon. I want to go around Snoopy. To help it pop out a little bit. Cute. And let's see. I think with my finer line, I'll go around the whale. Do some little sketchy light lines. Because I didn't fussy cut it right up to the whale. My bucket. Just that little bit helps, I think. All right. And I do believe just to ground it a little bit. Okay. And I'll give it some gold splatters. I know y'all are shocked. All right. Got my paintbrush. Well, there's my paintbrush I've been looking for. Knew I'd find it. All right. So we have day 5 done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP5 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.